So coming to the today's class, let me try to discuss about like previously I discussed about JavaScript with variables, data types, equality versus non-equality comparisons, and also string interpolation. Like this, I discussed about query selector and query selector all. So today also let us discuss some other topics presented in the JavaScript after completion of this. Mostly I'm trying to complete this. After completion of this, I'll start with the LWC installation part. How to install your LWC. Okay, so how to connect your Salesforce with your Visual Studio Code. These are all the things which I'm going to be discussing today's class. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Everyone had attended. Everyone had listened Saturday class. Sai, Kiran,
Yes,
Raju. The people who missed the class, everyone had listened the Saturday class. Everyone had listened. Please respond. What about Raj and
No,
Sai?
Venkat. No, Venkat, I am unable to attend that one.
Okay, fine. You listened the class.
Saturday class, I didn't attend Venkat. I didn't attend that one.
Yes, I'm saying that you did not attend. Yes, it's correct. But you listened the class or not? What about
Hello.
Ramgiri? You listened the Saturday class, Ramgiri?
I don't have access to this batch drive,
Is it?
but
Please
yeah,
send an email
the
ID.
50,
I'll give you access. Okay. After completion of
yeah,
the class. Now only please send the email ID. Okay, I'll give the access.
sure.
Okay, let me try to start with the things. Okay, so in anyone remembered like in Elda in Salesforce triggers we have for each loop. Anyone remembered?
Yes, Venkat.
Yes, sir.
So similarly to iterate the data, so in the JavaScript also we have a for each loop. Okay, like we have map and we have for each loop to iterate the data. Okay, to filter the data we have filter option. Okay, to sort the data either in ascending order, descending order, we have a sort option. Okay, let us discuss about all these things. I'll not say each and everything. It will be important for your LWC. In LWC, the concepts will be different. In LWC, we'll use a template for each loop like that. But here, just in JavaScript, I'm explaining all this concept. First of all, let's see map concept. Okay, so I'm creating one array. Everyone, I'm saying that, for example, if you're attending the today's class, please complete the previous class because LWC is important. Okay, just I'm creating some array. Just I'm iterating this particular array. Array dot map of. Just this is the syntax function of current item comma index comma actual array. I'll not say this particular thing will be helpful for your LWC. Just normally for your understanding, I'm explaining. Console.log of. Hey, 1 minute. Console.log of. Just I'm mentioning the current item. Current item in terms, the first item, whatever it may be. Okay. Index array. Array in terms entire array, whatever it may be presented, entire array. Okay. Array in terms entire array, whatever information. Okay. So I'm multiplying return current item into the first item. Okay, initially. Later on the second item. Later on the third item. This is the thing. Initially it is easy to iterate the data. Initially it is easy to take the 2. 2 into 2. What is 2 into 2? 4. Okay, again it is iterate the data. Again 3 into 2, 6. Again 5 into 2, 10. 7 into 2, 14. 9 into 2, 18. 10 into 2, 20. Like this. Okay, just I'm multiplying each element with the. Okay, just I'm control S. I'm saving the data. Okay, if you want to see the output, how you can see the output? Just you need to click on Go Live option. Anyone started practicing this HTML and JavaScript?
Yes, Venkat. I have started.
What about Raju and other people?
Sir, started, sir. HTML has started.
Okay, fine.
I'm
Just
also
I'm
started Venkat. HTML.
okay. Please complete it as soon as possible because we are starting LWC.
Okay, sir.
Just I closed this servers. It is immediately it is opening to the reachable Google Chrome, whatever it may be. Yes. Okay, if you want to see the output, just click on inspect. Yes. Everyone able to see the output current item 2 index 0 235799. Current item 2. Okay, just I want to print the data. Okay, if you want to print the data, okay, console.log of new array, you can able to see the output. Everyone able to see the output 4, 6, 10 means it is a each number is multiplied with 2. Everyone able to see 4, 6, 10, 14, 18, 20. Everyone able to see this? Everyone able to see the output?
Yes.
Okay, means I'm iterating the data. After that, I'm multiplying each number with 2. Okay. And let's see the for each loop. Okay. For each loop also same. It is easy to iterate the data. Okay, just I'm storing the result in this array numbers dot for each. Just I'm using for each loop. For each loop also iterate the data. Element comma index comma array. Okay, just whatever it may be, just I'm adding +1 with each element. I'm adding this result to the element, whatever it may be. Initially 1 plus 1, what is 1 plus 1? 2. Later on 2 plus 1, 3. Later on 3 plus 1, 4. Okay, just I'm adding to this result array. Console.log of result. Yes, everyone able to see the output 2, 3, 4. Initially, what is our input? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Okay, what is the result? Everyone able to see the result? 2 plus 1 means it is multiplied with +1 on each and every item. Everyone able to observe this?
Yes.
Just I'm using a for each loop to iterate each and every data. After that, I'm multiplying. Means I'm adding +1 to each and every array. Initially, it is 1 plus 1, 2. Later on, I'm adding to this result. Again, I'm iterating the data. Again, 2 plus 1, 3. Again, 3 plus 1, 4. Okay, later on, I'm printing the result. Okay, this is the thing. Everyone able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's see one more. Filter. Filter means it is easy to filter the data. Previously, I declared array. Let me try to change the naming convention. Okay, just I'm filtering the data which is greater than 18. Okay, greater than 18. Okay, I'm filtering the data. Okay, just I'm filtering the data which is greater than 18. Array dot filter. Okay, just I'm filtering the data which is greater than 18. Current item in terms, it is easy to take the present item. Okay, later on it is easy to iterate. Okay, for example, if it is greater than 18 means it is easy to store in the filtered values. Again, it is easy to iterate the data. Until completion of this array, it is easy to iterate the data. Console.log of, okay, filtered values. Yes. It is showing empty. I want to iterate the data. See, I need to array 11. Okay, just array 11, not array 11. Okay. Now you can able to see the output. Everyone able to see the output 23, 45, 34, 19. You are iterating the data. After iterating the data, it is easy to printing all the data which are greater than 18. Everyone able to observe? Chandrasekhar, Ramgiri, everyone able to observe? I am getting the data which are greater than
Yes,
18.
sir.
Yes, yes.
Yes, this is the thing. Let's take sort. Sort is nothing but it is easy to sort the data which is ascending order or descending order. Okay, just I'm mentioning. LET sorted values. Just I'm sorting the data. Okay, just I'm mentioning points dot sort. These are the inbuilt function methods. Okay, inbuilt methods. In interview, they will not ask you. These are all the things. Just only for your understanding. Even in LWC, also not been useful that much. Okay, just if you mention return A minus B, it is easy to sort the data in ascending order. Okay, you can able to see console.log of. Okay, if you mentioned A minus B, it is easy to sort the data in ascending order. See, 10, 12, 39, 54, 80. For example, if it's B minus A, it is easy to sort the data in descending order. See, everyone able to see it is easy to sort the data in descending order if it's a B minus A.
Yes.
If it's A minus B, it is easy to sort the data in ascending order. If it's a B minus A, it is easy to sort the data in descending order. This is the thing. Just everyone able to understand what is going on entire architecture. Just normally what is filter, what is sort. For each is nothing but it is easy to iterate the data. In LWC, we'll use a template for each loop in HTML, not in JavaScript. By using while method, we'll retrieve the data. After that, we'll use a template for each loop inside the HTML just to iterate all the data and place information. Yeah. Everyone understanding? Sai, Kiran, Saujanya, everyone understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Let us see another concept which is a promises. Okay, promises are used to handle. This is a theoretical concept, but I'll explain this theoretical practically in LWC, asynchronous operations. Okay, they are easy to manage when dealing with multiple asynchronous operation. For example, just imagine I want to iterate the contact records. Okay, just imagine I want to iterate the contact records. First, I'll retrieve that particular data. Okay, I'll retrieve that particular data through Apex class. After that, for example, he stored all the contact records like this. Okay, this is the syntax of promises. For example, if the result is there, okay, just imagine if the result is there. I'm storing this information inside. Okay, whatever the information. For example, if the result is there. For example, if the result is not there. Okay, if there is an error. Okay, when loading the data, if there is an error. Just I'm showing the error. In future also I'll show you. For example, if the information is there, okay, it is a success message. Okay, promise will be divided into if the information is there, it is used to be going to success. If the information is not there, when loading the data, if you got failure, immediately it will print the failure error message. Okay, if the information is there, it is used to print that particular records. If the information is not there, immediately it is used to going to the failure stage. Okay, just I'm giving some promise. Mainly promise is used to load. For example, just imagine there are different types of function. Mainly we'll use a promise.all if you requirements. Whenever if you want to load all the third party APIs at a time once. Okay. Okay, then we can use a promise.all function. Okay, mainly when we are fetching the data from the backend server, means backend server in terms of Apex classes. Okay, whenever if you are fetching the data, okay, these are all the things in this particular situation. We'll use a promises. Okay, we'll use a promises, but I'll explain these promises in when I'm teaching LWC. Okay, when I'm teaching LWC, I'll explain this particular concept promises in LWC. Okay, just only for reference purpose, I give an idea. Chandrasekhar, I discussed about query selector and query selector. Okay. Do you remember? Saujanya.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what about query selector? What you had been remembered? Any idea? Saujanya. Okay. Saujanya, do you remember? Chandrasekhar, do you remember about query selector? Whenever if you want to load that HTML, yesterday in terms Saturday I discussed, whenever if you want to load the HTML data to the JavaScript, we'll use query selector. If you want to load all the tags, we'll use query selector all. It is
Yes.
important. Okay, so another is events. Okay, on performing any action. Okay, it needs to be stored to JavaScript. On performing any action in the HTML, it needs to be triggered to JavaScript. Okay, there are some standard events are there. In LWC also we'll use on key up. For example, if you are entering the data inside the input box, okay, I want to store inside the JavaScript, we'll use. For example, if you're clicking the button, okay, immediately JavaScript need to trigger that. We'll use on click. Okay, on click. I'll show you. This thing I'll show you. Let me try to close this. Okay, for example, I'm clicking the button. Okay, on click of this, every time when we are clicking the button, we'll use, okay, on click of this particular button, immediately the first function will be called. Okay, whenever if you click at this, immediately the first function will be called. Just I'm triggering. Okay, I'm triggering the first function. Console.log of. Okay, on click of this, immediately the first function will be called. In LWC, will directly trigger that particular function name, but in JavaScript, we need to mention function name. Okay, on click of the second function. It is important in LWC, every component will use. Just I'm mentioning. Okay, just I'm clicking this remove handler. Okay, just I'm calling. I am second function. Okay, on click of this particular button, immediately the second function will be called. Okay, on click of the second function, immediately the second function will be called. Remove handler button. You can able to see. See, just I'm clicking one. Immediately we'll get inspect. Just I'm going to the inspector console. Okay, just if you clicked on this, it is showing some error. Okay, remove handler is not defined. It is showing some error. In LWC, no need to interlink JavaScript and HTML. Here only we need to interlink. See, everyone able to see on click of this, immediately it is triggering. On click of this remove handler. Everyone able to observe this? Everyone able to observe? Please respond.
Yes, Venkata.
Yeah, this is the thing. Like Ramgiri in LWC, we have. Do you remember in LWC? Sorry, in Pega, whatever it may be, just we'll use VS Code. You'll use any package.xml to retrieve all the data, Ramgiri.
Bega?
Uh,
Yes, Venkata.
Here also we can do it. Okay, even we can use the same tool or other tools also. In our project also we are connecting with Git with our org. We are retrieving the data from the package.xml. Okay, just we are connecting and we are creating the feature branch under the hierarchs and like we are sending okay the information. We are creating the pull request in that particular feature branch. For example, just imagine in that if you merged all the changes, okay, in future if you want to revert, just by clicking on the revert button, immediately you can revert, roll back all the changes. Okay, same process, but here we are connecting with Salesforce org. That's it. Okay, same. For example, just imagine, okay, when you are sending from the QA to UA2, UAT environment, train movement happened. There is no pull request. Okay. Then what you will do, just whatever the information you created, I think through Loirax you had been done. Okay, immediately you'll create against another pull request to modify all the changes. To delete the data, just immediately you'll create another pull request. Then immediately if the information has been merged means all the changes whatever it may be it will be deleted. Okay, okay, just I'm discussing another function is set timeout and set time interval. Okay, I'm discussing another thing which is nothing but set timeout and set time interval. Set timeout is nothing but after completion of, okay, after completion of missed after completion of all the timer, okay, after the timer expires. Okay, for example, if you mention 1000 milliseconds, after completion of the 1000 milliseconds this action will be executed. Okay, set interval is nothing but in between the 1000 milliseconds, okay, in between the 1000 milliseconds multiple times the code will be executed. After completion of the 1000 milliseconds code will be executed. In between the 1000 milliseconds multiple times the code will be executed. Set timeout means after completion of, okay, I'm saying again, after completion of 1000 milliseconds, the code will be executed. Okay, in between the 1000 milliseconds, multiple times the code will be executed. You can able to see. Set time mode. Okay, just after completion of the 1000 milliseconds, okay, this hello will be executed. Console.log of timer ID. Okay, after completion of the 1000 milliseconds, this information will be executed. Okay, and another is set time mode. Let me try to execute set interval. Okay, in between the 1000 milliseconds. Okay, in between, like in between the 1000 milliseconds. Okay, for example, if you mention 10,000 milliseconds, in between the 10,000 milliseconds, multiple times the information will be executed. You can click on inspect. Let's see. Okay, after completion of the 1000 milliseconds, okay, the first hello is executed. In between the 10,000 milliseconds, multiple times hi will be executed. Let's see. Let's wait. Set timeout and set interval. Yes, everyone able to see hi executed 2 times. Like this, in between the 10,000 milliseconds, multiple times hi will be executed. Everyone able to see here under the left side the third time. We cannot estimate the exact time. Like this, it will be okay until this 10,000 milliseconds, multiple times I will be executed. Okay. We cannot estimate the exact time. In between the 10,000 milliseconds, multiple times I will be executed.
Yes.
See, 7 times. Like this, multiple times I will be executed. Okay, just it is going 14 times like this. Until completion of 10,000 milliseconds, it will execute multiple times. This is the thing. And I hope everyone able to understand. Okay, these are all some of the concepts I discussed about JavaScript. Everyone able to understand what about the set timeout and set time interval? Anyone have any queries?
No, sir.
Okay, fine, good. So this is about the things. Let me try to start with LWC. Before starting with LWC, Okay, just I'm closing all the folder. Okay, just to click on file, click on close folder. I am closing my folder. Okay, by tomorrow we will change the link. Ramgiri, I will add you to the WhatsApp group. Okay, like tomorrow I'll change the link and we will send the link in WhatsApp group. Okay, updated link. Okay, just this is my Visual Studio Code. First, let me try to install the extensions. Okay, I provided the steps one by one. Okay, let me try to go to the SFTC development. I provided the steps one by one. Okay, just I'll add you. I'll first you need to download the Salesforce CLI. Okay, just you need to download. First, I'm copying it. First, you need to download it. Okay, first you need to download for Windows x64. Ours is Windows version. Click the Windows. Okay, download for Windows x64. Download this. Okay, everyone, first download this. Vikash, are you joining again the classes?
Yes, sir.
Are you joining the classes again?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you're interested, once intimate our team and complete the payments. Okay. Once call them. Yeah. In LWC again if you're interested. Tomorrow onwards link will be
Sure, sir.
changed.
Sure.
Yeah. Okay. Just if you're clicking this, once contact our team, then you can complete the payment registration. Tomorrow onwards, we are changing the link. Click on next. Just enable this. Add local path. Just enable this option also. Click on install. It is installing. Okay, let's minimize it. Fine. What is your next step? There is a steps are there. Accordingly, you can follow it. Okay, just you downloaded the Visual Studio Code. Okay, next you need to download the extension pack under the Visual Studio Code. Just you can, yes, install this extension pack, Salesforce extension pack. Everyone, please install the Salesforce extension pack. Yeah. The next, go to this folder. Okay, see users. Okay, administration.vs code. Okay, wait for some time. It will be. Okay, navigate to File Explorer. C drive, users. Just I'm going to the administration dot vs code, means your name whatever it may be. Okay, just I'm creating one folder. LWC component November batch, like that I'm creating one folder. Okay, just I'm clicking on new, like LWC components. Okay, just I'm creating one folder, LWC components November batch. Okay, just you can click on open folder. Same wherever you created the folder, just load it. .vs code. Okay, just you can click on select folder. Yes. Everyone able to say I loaded the folder? Everyone able to say I loaded the folder successfully?
Yes, sir.
Okay, my next step. Okay, I loaded the folder successfully. I had been installed previously, that's why I can, without this also I can able to proceed. Okay, first you need to install this. You need to complete the installation part. Still here at the end. Okay, Control Shift P. Okay, just I did not connect it. I need to create a subfolder inside this. Create a project with manifest. It will activate the extensions. Wait for a while. It will activate the extension. Wait for a while. Okay, after installing this sfdx, okay, after installing this sfdx, go to the command prompt. Okay, type sfdx. Immediately we'll get the versions, each and every details. You can able to observe. Wait for a while, you will get a versions like that. When you got a versions means, okay, this sfdx has been installed successfully. Okay, if you command prompt not found something, if you got means your sfdx not installed. First you need to install each and every that particular software. I'm downloading now. Wait for a while. It is completed. Okay, you can close. It may take some time, no worries. Okay, Control Shift P. Okay, just I'm creating a subfolder. Create project with manifest. Select the standard. Everyone able to see the standard one? Okay, just I'm creating LWC components. See, immediately it is going. I'm creating the project here only. Click on create project. Yes, this is the folder you can able to see. Everyone able to see the folder? Everyone able to see the folder? Please respond. It is somewhat tricky. Everyone able to see this folder.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm connecting my Visual Studio Code with Salesforce. Click on No Default Org Set. Okay, it is activating the extension. Okay, you need to connect Visual Studio Code with Salesforce. You need to click on the No Default Org Set. Wait for a while. Okay, don't worry. Like anyone anyone joined with laptop? Anyone joined with laptop here? I think you can also share your screen in between. Ramgiri, you joined with laptop. I'll give you access.
Yes, sir.
I'll
Yes.
guide you. It may take some time. Okay, now to activate all the extensions. Yeah, it activated. Click on authorize an org. Okay, select the project default. Okay, I'm selecting my org name Venkat. Okay, immediately it will be connected to internet Google Chrome. Immediately it will be connected to Google Chrome. Let's see. Let's wait for few minutes. See, just you can enter your details. See, everyone able to see, you have successfully logged in. You can now close this. Okay, means your Visual Studio Code with connected with Salesforce. Everyone able to see? Okay, means your Visual Studio Code is been successfully connected. Okay, just I am opening the Salesforce login. Let me try to open the Salesforce login. Just I am connecting with my org. I connected my Salesforce org with Visual Studio Code. Yeah, we connected. Like whatever the information you deployed here, immediately it will be connected to the Salesforce org. Maybe it's somewhat difficult, but try to see the video again for installation part. See, everyone able to see SFDX. When you run the SFDX, everyone able to see that it is showing the version, everything. Even SFDX CLI also had been installed successfully. Yeah. Everyone able to understand? I think no response from anyone. Anyone can able to share your screen also. I'm giving you access. Installation part is
So
important.
I have,
Okay. Yes, Chandrasekhar.
I have joined, I have joined through mobile. So there is a
You joined with mobile phone or see the video and do the installation part. I'll share the document also. What about Saujanya
okay.
Ramgiri? Okay, if you are
Venkat,
facing,
I finished this installation.
okay, good, good. For example, if you are facing difficulty on this installation part, everything, don't worry. Just I'm going to the visit Chrome Web Store. Okay, search for Lightning Studio. This is an easy one, but do this at least once. Okay, just add to Chrome. Okay, just add to Chrome. Okay, previously it not to be pinned. It will be presented in the extension. Just to pin it. Okay, go to your org and open this org. Okay, open this org. That's it. Okay, immediately it will be org will be open. That's it. Anything is fine. It's your wish completely. Okay, just you can use Lightning Studio if you're facing difficulty on everything. Just you can go and do with Lightning Studio. Okay, navigate to extensions and then what is my extension name? Lightning Studio. Yeah, you can do anything. Okay, just you can open the org, then only you can open this Lightning Studio. Okay, it will be connected. But I'm not discussing how to create an LWC component. Just I installed how to do this particular process. Let me try to. I think let me try to give for access to Ramagiri. Ramagiri, please mention your email.
Venkat, I posted in the chat. guri.villa@gmail.com.
Okay. Raju, you also don't have an access? Raju, you completed payment. I listened that you did not complete a payment. You completed the payment? Okay, fine, no worries. Let me try to create from tomorrow onwards. Let me try to create my first LWC component. I'll go one by one from tomorrow onwards. Everyone, kindly please attend the classes regularly from tomorrow onwards. And let's see what we need to be. Mostly by next 2 weeks, we'll complete the portion, okay, of the LWC. Means we have other portions also, but 50% of the portion, let me try to complete this in 10 days, whatever it may be possible. This is about today's class, team. Thank you. Let's meet again tomorrow. Okay. Because only for the people who registered, we will give the access. Okay. If you're interested ones, please contact the team and register for the training. Okay.
Yes, sir, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, Vikash. Thank you. Especially for LWC. Yeah. Okay, I'm stopping the recording. This is about today's class, team. Just I completed the JavaScript and also I completed the installation part. Tomorrow onwards, I'm going to be discuss about my first LWC component, like what is LWC and LWC basics. One by one, I'm going to be discuss. This is about today's class, team. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Bye.